What if I told you that the real reason your gut problem isn't healing is not because you need stronger antibiotics, but because they might actually be making things worse? And what if the solution was something incredibly cheap, natural, and sitting in your kitchen right now? If you're dealing with inflammation anywhere in your digestive tract, whether it's your small intestine, stomach, or large intestine, and even after multiple rounds of antibiotics, nothing seems to improve, then you need to hear this carefully. This simple remedy has 0 side effects, yet it has the power to support healing in conditions like stomach ulcers, gastritis, acid reflux, hernia-related irritation, diverticulitis, ulcerative colitis, even Crohn's disease. Now here's the truth about antibiotics. Yes, they can kill bacteria with up to 90–95% efficiency. But here's the problem no one talks about. They don't just kill harmful bacteria, they also destroy your good, friendly gut bacteria, the ones your body actually depends on to stay healthy. And the bacteria that survive, they become stronger, more resistant, and sometimes even more dangerous. You've probably heard this phrase, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Well, bacteria follow the same rule. Some microbes that were once harmless, like certain strains of E. coli, Salmonella, H. pylori, or even Candida, can become more aggressive. The relationship between your body and these bacteria changes, from friendly to hostile. And this imbalance can lead to serious conditions, even increasing the risk of digestive cancers. Even in chemotherapy, the success rate is only around 40–60%. Some harmful cells always survive, and those survivors come back stronger. At the same time, your immune system, your body's defense, becomes weaker and more sensitive. Now here's the solution: a simple, natural drink. Cabbage juice. Yes, plain cabbage. If your condition is mild, just 1 cup a day can make a difference. You can drink it as juice, blend it into a smoothie, or even eat it raw in a salad. Cabbage contains a powerful compound called vitamin U, also known as S-methylmethionine. This nutrient helps heal stomach ulcers, protect the inner lining of your digestive tract, reduce inflammation. That's why it's even used in some skin-healing creams. Cabbage is also rich in sulforaphane, a compound also found in broccoli and cauliflower. Sulforaphane activates protective genes in your body, boosting antioxidant activity and detoxification. This means damaged cells are repaired, unhealthy cells are removed, new healthy cells are created, your immune system becomes stronger, and your body becomes better at fighting disease. Cabbage is loaded with vitamin C and glutamine, both crucial for healing. These help repair connective tissues, reduce gum inflammation and bleeding, support gut lining recovery. They also help lower ammonia levels in the stomach. Why does that matter? Because harmful bacteria like H. pylori need higher ammonia levels to survive. They thrive in an alkaline set environment. But your stomach is supposed to be acidic. By lowering ammonia and restoring balance, cabbage helps create an environment where harmful bacteria struggle to survive. So instead of relying only on antibiotics, which may be silently damaging your gut, start supporting your body naturally. Sometimes, the simplest remedies are the most powerful. Take care of your gut, and your gut will take care of you.